What's up guys, welcome back to Japan. Today's video, I'm super excited. I've been waiting to do this for weeks now. I'm finally gonna put on my new Fujitsubo equal length front pipe. We're gonna do some sound clips with the current setup, which is the Greddy unequal length, just regular front pipe. Put the new one on, do some sound clips with that, get an actual comparison of the differences in sound. I'm gonna keep the OEM cat on there for now. I bought a high flow cat, but it won't be here for the next couple of days. And I'm also gonna keep the same 5 Zig exhaust just so we can get the difference in sound. Let's go get started. But this is funny. I finally get to use my new secondary microphone. Got a muff ball on it taped to the car. It's gonna get some good exhaust sounds. It's going all the way inside the cabin so I can plug it into the camera. I'm really excited. I hope the mic works as well as advertised. All the reviews I've seen for it make it sound like it's great for exhaust sounds. So let's check it out. So I made it back to the hobby shop. I am in the same stall I've been in the last couple times we've done this. It takes like 3 or 4 times for me to be able to get in the freaking stall correctly by myself, so I have to get out and check and get out. Big pain in the butt. But let's get the car up on the lift. Josh should be coming, he's gonna help me, and he's also gonna buy, well, I basically gave it to him. So my current Greddy setup, I gave it to him for next to nothing. So we're gonna install that on his car after we do this one. Got some new gaskets. Let's get started.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
Got the car up on the lift finally. So, for those of you who haven't done a front pipe or down pipe install, super simple. We're gonna take this cover off. Oh, that's super hot. Take this cover off. It's got 2 bolts here we're gonna take off. And then coming from each turbo outlet has 2 bolts on each side. So there's that one, that one, that one, and that one. So it's really easy. I'm gonna let this cool down just for a little bit because it is really hot and Josh has not gotten here yet. Air travels through here, down this tunnel, hits the deflector, and is channeled to cool the rotors. That is awesome. I love this car. In case you guys missed the video where I unboxed everything, this is my Fujitsubo equal length front pipe. Oh yeah. Did come with all the new gaskets, which is really helpful. Not a freaking sticker in this box. Come on. So like I said before, we're just gonna take the cat off. This little cover here has 10 mil, just like everything else on the car. It's really hard to do by myself. Figured I'd do the easy stuff until he gets here. Woo! I'm a mechanic. The worst thing about these 25-year-old cars is everything is just so rusty and old, but get to do fun things the hard way. Ugh. I could probably do this easier with a ratchet and socket, but I'm just bored hanging out waiting for him to get here. If I didn't already say it, this is getting replaced with a test pipe. In the next couple of days, I just wanted to do a fair comparison where everything was the same. So both cars, so you can hear what both cars sound like with the OEM cat and the same catback exhaust. So I didn't want to change everything all at once. That way it'd be a fair comparison. Test pipe will be coming in. I'm getting it tonight. I didn't really want to wait to do this for 2 videos, but I guess I'll have to. Oh, let's get started. So get the 17 here on the extension, and it's not a 17. Well, crap. All right, let's try this again with the correct size. Nope, impossible to do with one hand. Josh finally showed up to save the day.
Sorry I'm late, showed up when I wanted.
Figure out, we just undid everything. I guess I'll hold this. Yeah, see if you can wiggle it out. There we go. Perfect. So the front pipe is off. Gonna throw the new gaskets on there that came with the kit and bolt it all back up together and see what it sounds like. I'm really excited. Woo! Josh is gonna feed this thing in here. It's gonna be kind of hard to get through. Kind of gotta snake it around because they got that flex pipe. So we got it wedged in there currently. It's really hard to get both of the turbo sides on at the same time because they don't move a whole lot, even though it does have a flex pipe. It's still very rigid. Plus everything's hot, and so we're trying not to touch anything. We had to use a pry bar to keep up the cat and the rest of the exhaust. Putting too much strain on the EGT sensor and all the hangers and stuff. Everything is officially tightened down, torqued down, whatever you want to call it. We are good to go. All the bolts are good. Oh man. I am really excited. We're gonna drop the car down off the lift and give it its first startup, test for leaks, and give it some revs. All right, lowered her a little bit on the lift. Be careful not hit the door. First start. I wanna make sure there are no leaks before we get it off the lift completely. Did this go any slower? My goodness. Good news is, I don't hear any leaks. I am so hot. I don't hear any leaks, so now we're lowering the car off the lift. I'm using both hands, so if I'm at a weird angle and really close to the screen, that's why. We're gonna do some quick revs to get a kind of a first glimpse at it. Really excited. So right off the bat, I noticed it has, obviously a much more raspy sound. And also, I feel like I'm getting a couple more pops. If you guys have been following the channel, you know that I don't get any backfires like all the other GTRs get. I don't know what it is. I'm running super rich, but I never get flames, and I mean, every once in a while I do, but I want some more pops and bangs. And hopefully, that new test pipe will get me there. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait to drive it. All right, just paid for the stall. We're leaving. Want to give a big shout out to Josh. Thank you so much for helping me, dude. Lifesaver. I'm gonna try to do the same sound clips that I did for the Gretty front pipe, just to get a pretty good comparison. So I'm gonna switch mics and I'll do a couple revs so you guys can hear out the same mic. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up for the video today. We're about to have a typhoon here in Okinawa, or a tropical storm or something, so it's already windy. I hope you're not getting wind noise in the mic. The exhaust clips from the regular front pipe and the new front pipe, the camera doesn't do it justice. Like in real life, it's blatantly obvious. It sounds way better. And I actually just got back and removed the test pipe today. I didn't make a video of it because I figured you guys didn't really care about test pipe video. Super easy. It took me like 30 minutes to do it, but it sounds way better. It pops a lot more, so I'll definitely do some sound clips of that to let you guys hear it. It's sick, but I need to head back in before the bottom drops out. It's about to start pouring. It's supposed to be rain all day today, so I'm gonna head back inside. Y'all take it easy. Like, comment as always. I'll see you next time.